Join us as we explore a fascinating architectural attraction, the ruins at Holliday Park in Indianapolis, Indiana. Located at 6363 Spring Mill Road, the park is situated approximately 6 miles north of downtown Indianapolis. The ruins were originally part of the St. Paul Building in New York City. The St. Paul Building stood at 220 Broadway, at the southeast corner Withen Street in the financial district of Lower Manhattan. Completed in 1898, it was one of the tallest skyscrapers in New York City at the time, rising 26 stories and reaching a height of 315 feet, 96 meters. This historic structure was torn down in the 1950s to make way for a modern skyscraper. The ruins were beautifully restored and transformed into a vibrant gathering space. They feature stone figures, arches, and other remnants from the original St. Paul building. Visitors can explore the area, which includes a children's water table, a shimmer fountain, benches, and an alley of trees. The ruins serve as a perfect space for family fun, concerts, festivals, and weddings. Today, the ruins are not only a historical artifact but also a place of beauty and community engagement. You can learn more about the ruins on their official website. Enjoy exploring this unique attraction.